we manufacture medical devices, sell them, and provide service for acute care therapies, life science, surgical workplaces, and infection control. We are in Wayne, New Jersey at our training facility. It's very unique because it focuses just on service training for Getinge. When you're in here and there's multiple classes going on, we found after we opened the sound issue that multiple classes and the machines running at the same time caused. So the solution that I hope that we find with this project is to absorb a lot of the sound that's being created by the individual machines, but also the trainers, and then in turn just make a more productive learning environment. Standing in the same spot before the Snowsound, I feel like I don't have to project as much to you standing just a few feet away from the camera, but I'm also not worried about interrupting training that's going on nearby either. There's reduced echo, it's absorbed a lot of the noises in different areas so that now we can have multiple classes going on, multiple trainings going on, and they're not interrupted by each other.
So it was pretty loud with multiple classes going on. The sound issue was a big issue. After the panels went up, there was notable difference.
So the sound panels also had multi-use, not just absorbing sound, but they worked as a map to show where certain products are located, which machines are which. Just visually, the aesthetic is much better in this area. Everything's labeled now. Everything looks more professional.
The signs are nice. It's nice, especially for visitors. Visitors is more of an issue. I think that's where we get the big plus out of the names of the products, the names of the units, where they're hanging, I think is a helpful thing for that.
For Getinge, this training center is a one of a kind. We don't have it anywhere else, so we didn't have any options or solutions for this type of problem with the echoing and the sound. So Dancker and Snowsound really brought forward what they would be able to produce. They took all the guessing out of how much we need, what colors can you do, and where to put things, and it just seemed seamless. The complaints and the concerns of the sound has drastically improved. If anything, they've asked for more.